Hey everyone, welcome back to my listening channel. Today, we're diving into the magic of the word make. It's like the Swiss Army knife of English. So, Dr. Wordsmith, what makes make so versatile?
Well, it's simple yet complex, like a good cup of coffee. Make can mean to create or produce. Think of it as a chef whipping up a culinary masterpiece. I make breakfast every morning, even if it's just toast.
Ah, breakfast, the most important meal we sometimes forget. But what about when make isn't about creating, but more about causing something to happen, like how my alarm makes me grumpy?
Exactly. It's like that song that makes you dance, whether you want to or not. The feeling just happens. Fun fact, studies show music can boost your mood by 21%. So, make is all about results.
Fascinating. Yet, I can't help but wonder about those times when make feels like it's forcing us into action, like my mum making me clean my room. Is it just me, or is make a bit bossy?
Haha, make definitely has a drill sergeant side. When you're made to do something, it's like a Jedi mind trick, but with less lightsaber action. Remember, it's make someone do, not make someone to do.
Got it? No toe in sight. Now, speaking of making things happen, let's talk idioms. Make a decision, make friends. How do these phrases fit into our daily conversation like a comfy old sweater?
Ah, idioms are like the sprinkles on the cupcake of language. They add flavor. Making decisions is just choosing your path, like in a video game where you pick your character's fate. It's all about expression.
Totally. And speaking of paths, sometimes make means become, like practice makes perfect. It's a bit like leveling up in life's RPG, right?
Absolutely, it's transformation at its finest. Just like how hard work makes you stronger, remember, change is inevitable, and make is your trusty sidekick on that journey. So, go make some magic happen.
All right, let's chat about the creation aspect of make. It's like being the director of your own movie, isn't it? Dr. Wordsmith, spill the beans on the creative side of this mighty word.
Oh, absolutely. When you make something, you're the Picasso of your kitchen or the Spielberg of your backyard. Creating is about bringing something to life, whether it's a cake or a blockbuster film.
So, when I make my world-famous PB&J sandwich, I'm basically a culinary artist. But what about when we create things that aren't tangible, like making memories or making a difference?
Great question. Creating memories is like storing little treasures in your mind's attic. And making a difference? Well, that's like planting seeds of change and watching them sprout into a forest.
Such a lovely metaphor. But let's not forget the counter-argument. What if creating isn't always positive? Like making a mess in the kitchen. What's up with that?
True. Sometimes creation is chaotic, like a toddler with paints. But every masterpiece starts with a mess, right? Even Van Gogh had to clean his brushes.
So, embracing the chaos is part of the creative process? Sounds like a wild ride. But how do we keep evolving in our creative journey?
It's all about innovation, baby. Like upgrading your smartphone, you keep learning and adapting. The future of make is limitless, especially with tech making virtual creations a reality.
Wow, virtual reality creations. Imagine making art without even picking up a brush. The possibilities are endless.
Exactly. So, everyone out there, go create something today, whether it's a masterpiece or just a sandwich. Keep making, keep dreaming.
Now, let's dive into how make can cause things to happen. It's like a domino effect, right? Dr. Wordsmith, enlighten us on this powerful aspect of make.
Sure thing. Make is like the butterfly effect in action. One small change can lead to a big impact. For instance, a smile can make someone's day brighter, just like that.
Or, smiles are contagious. But what about when make causes not so great changes? Like, making a mountain out of a molehill?
Ah, the drama. Sometimes we make things bigger than they are. It's like turning a kitten into a lion. But awareness is key. Recognizing when we're overdoing it can help tame the beast.
So, it's about balance and perspective. But how do we harness make to cause positive change, like making the world a better place?
Great question. It's all about small acts of kindness. Like a ripple in a pond, when you make someone feel valued, it spreads far and wide. Studies show kindness boosts community well-being.
That's beautiful. But here's a counter-argument. Can make sometimes cause unwanted pressure, like making someone fit into society's mold?
For sure, make can be a double-edged sword. Society often makes us conform, but it's crucial to carve your own path. Remember, even diamonds are formed under pressure.
Love that analogy. So, what's next for make in our evolving world?
Future focus. Make will continue to inspire change, especially with global movements. It's like a universal glue holding diverse ideas together. Go out there and make waves, folks.
All right, let's tackle the forceful side of make. It's like a bossy older sibling, isn't it? Dr. Wordsmith, what's your take on this commanding aspect?
Haha, definitely. Make can be quite the taskmaster. When you make someone do something, it's like having a drill sergeant in your pocket. No choice, just action.
Ah, the sweet sound of authority. But what about when make feels too overbearing? Like when you're made to follow rules you don't agree with?
True, sometimes make can be too much, like a one-size-fits-all sweater that's too itchy. It's important to question and find your own comfort zone.
Wise words. But how can we use make to positively influence others without being overbearing, like a gentle nudge rather than a shove?
Think of it like leading by example. When you make kindness a habit, others follow. It's like being a lighthouse, guiding ships through the storm.
I love that imagery, but here's a counter-argument. Can being made to do something ever be beneficial, like pushing someone out of their comfort zone?
Absolutely. Sometimes we need a little push to grow. It's like a plant needing sunlight necessary for blooming. Just ensure it's gentle, not a hurricane.
So true. As we look ahead, how will the forceful side of make evolve in our society?
In the future, I see make being more about empowerment, encouraging self-discovery rather than blind obedience. So folks, go out there and make your own path.
Let's explore the quirky world of make idioms and expressions. They're like Easter eggs in pop culture, aren't they? Dr. Wordsmith, what's the scoop on these phrases?
Totally. Idioms are the spice in the soup of language. Phrases like make a decision or make friends add zest to our conversations. They're like the catchphrases of everyday life.
So, when I say make money, I'm basically a Wall Street tycoon in training, right? But what about phrases that are a bit misleading, like make a mountain out of a molehill?
Haha, exactly. Some idioms exaggerate, like a movie trailer showing all the best parts. Making a mountain out of a molehill reminds us to keep things in perspective.
Ah, perspective is key. But how do these idioms reflect cultural shifts and trends, like the rise of social media influencers making waves?
Great question. Idioms evolve with culture, like language memes. Make it big now includes going viral. It's like the internet's version of the American dream.
Going viral, the modern-day gold rush. But here's a twist. Can these idioms sometimes oversimplify complex ideas like make love, not war?
True, idioms can simplify, but they also spark dialogue. Make love, not war is a catchy way to promote peace, though achieving it is more nuanced.
Absolutely. Looking forward, how will make idioms continue to shape our conversations?
Future focus. Make idioms will keep evolving, reflecting societal changes. They're the storytellers of language, so keep an ear out for the next big phrase.
Finally, let's chat about make as transformation. It's like a caterpillar becoming a butterfly, isn't it? Dr. Wordsmith, enlighten us on this metamorphic aspect.
Absolutely. Make is all about growth. Whether it's practice makes perfect or hard work makes you stronger, it's like leveling up in the game of life. Who doesn't love a good upgrade?
I'm all about those upgrades. But what about when transformation feels daunting, like making yourself over to fit into society's expectations?
Great point. Transformation should be personal, not pressured. It's like sculpting clay. Start with your vision, not someone else's mold. Own your process.
Wise words indeed. But how do we embrace this transformative power of make in a way that's sustainable, like making lifelong habits instead of temporary changes?
Think of it like planting a tree. You water it daily, watch it grow, and eventually it bears fruit. Consistency is key, and every small step counts towards lasting change.
I love that analogy. But here's a counter-argument. Can the pressure to make yourself better lead to burnout?
Absolutely, too much can lead to burnout, like a candle burning at both ends. Balance is crucial, remember, even superheroes need a day off.
Haha, indeed they do. As we look to the future, how can Make continue to inspire personal growth and transformation?
In the future, Make will be about embracing individual journeys, fostering a community of growth. So, everyone, go out there and make yourself proud.